In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the top level affiliate course from Aversity and Sean Gary, and we're going to go in step by step and look into all the details on this course that's right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and start affiliate marketing, or you're interested in affiliate marketing, I have a free course here for you that shows how people are making $800 a day online using only $50 ads. It goes step by step and is completely free. So if you're interested, it will be the first link in the description. But let's go ahead and get started with the top level affiliate. Now, what it brings, this is only the what I'm looking into right now is one of the highlights of it brings on there. We're going to go ahead into detail with this right now. So it has one-on-one coaching, step-by-step training, weekly extra bonus training, and exclusive and active community. Now, all these things are very important for beginners, and we're going to go ahead and look into them right now. As soon as you sign up for the top level affiliate, the first thing you will see, of course, once you create your account, is this, a welcome page. It's going to welcome you to the top level affiliate. Right here, Sean Gary, the CEO of Aversity, will definitely go over with you everything that you're going to be looking into the modules. Now, when you scroll down, you see that you have a total of 5 modules, and each module gives you all the information you need to start your affiliate marketing business. So let's go ahead and click on the first one, and right there, each of these is a separate video telling you exactly how to start. How does affiliate marketing work? Top level affiliate networks, how to find profitable affiliate products to promote, and so on and so on. So you want to go ahead and keep going through each and every module. I'll take each and one of them step by step, and we'll definitely go over all the things that you need to start affiliate marketing more successfully. But then again, there's many courses out there that will just give you the information with videos, and that's it. What I love about Aversity is that you do have other tools. Like we mentioned before, they have the one-on-one coaching. One-on-one coaching, if you go scroll up to the upper right side of the screen, community, it will be the first thing, one-on-one coaching. If we click on that right there, it's going to take you to this page, Aversity one-on-one coaching program, a video to get started, and if you click here, it's going to ask you to enter your information so that the coach, your personal coach, can go ahead and contact you either through Skype or through phone. So whatever you prefer, they'll be more than happy to help. What I love about this is that if you have a question, if you're stuck, because trust me guys, you will be stuck at one point. I was many times. You'll be able to go ahead and get your questions answered as soon as possible. You won't be stuck just looking at your pages and hoping for something to work. You will definitely be able to find an answer, and your coach will be there for you every step of the way. Now, let's say you have a quick question and you don't have your coach right there. This is the next part that was part of the top level affiliate, which is the weekly the exclusive and active community. You see, when you go to community and you go to the Aversity forum, you'll be able to see all the active people right now that are part of Aversity that are asking questions every day. Now, as you can see right here, even Sean Gary answers many of these questions himself, the CEO. So if you do have a question, a quick one, and you want everybody to see it, or you want other people's insight on what strategies are working for them, you want to go ahead and ask a question here, and somebody will go ahead and answer there. Any part of the community will give you a quick answer. Even Sean Gary will also step in and answer some questions. Now, what about the weekly extra bonus trainings, right? Again, if you go to community and you go to strategy updates, every so often you'll be able to go ahead and find updates with videos that Sean Gary will update here to the page. And basically what he does is that he goes over new strategies and things that are changing. So basically, if there's a new strategy that the Aversity is working on that they see as a good fit for many other people that are doing affiliate marketing, they will go ahead and update this page with that information and give you that coaching video. Now, this also goes hand in hand with one-on-one coaching. So if you have a question right here in regards to one of these videos, you can reach out to the one-on-one coaching, the coaches, and they'll answer those questions for you. So that's pretty much it with the top level affiliate program. This is everything you get for all this information here when you purchase this program. Now, of course, I'm pretty sure you're interested in knowing exactly how much this is going to be And the surprising part is not what you think it is. It's only $10. This program right here is only $10, and it includes all this information. It includes the one-on-one coaching. It includes the step-by-step training, as you saw in the modules, the weekly extra bonus trainings, and the exclusive and active community. So all this is perfect for anybody that is starting affiliate marketing. So if you are starting out, this is definitely the course I suggest you start with. Many people, many marketers want you to spend thousands, hundreds and thousands of dollars on courses and promising you things that probably won't work for you. It's better just to start small and just spend $10 or less so that you can get the information you need. Now, of course, I do understand that some people might not have that money, so definitely go ahead again and click on the first link on the description. You're going to have a link to a free course right here that will give you the fundamentals of affiliate marketing right here. Now guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and comment in the comment section below. I do want to do a Q&A every single week, answering as many questions as I can in affiliate marketing or Aversity itself. Since I have all the courses, I can answer any questions that you may have. But thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is RJ. I'm the Level 1 Entrepreneur, and I'll see you in my next video.